This is Paul. Yeah. Petition for dissolution of marriage. Yes. Arrest took place 3 days later, Memorial Day weekend of 2012. Yes. You renewed the protection order 1 week after she petitioned the court for dissolution of marriage. Yes. Because of the false accusation of breaking. Yes. He broke the protection order. Yes. Now, kidnapping and the jurisdiction of the territory of Guam, yes. This is a very serious crime. Now, international parental kidnapping in which the victim is a child under the age of 16 years old. Now, just so you understand, it's international jurisdiction of the territory of Guam when she abducted my sons. Yes. She had you issue a protection order right now for the false accusation of family violence, child abuse, and assault. Yes. Now, the kidnapping offense generally does not apply to matters involving the taking of a minor, yes, by a parent, except for 18 U.S. Code 1204, international parental kidnapping. See JM 9-74-200 and this manual at 191957. Yes. In such cases, the parent must have, yes, removed and retained a child under the age of 16 years outside of the United States with the intention to obstruct the lawful exercise of parental rights. Now, under 1201, the term parent does not include those whose parenting rights with respect to the victim child have been terminated by a final court order. Yes. Now, I've told you about my parenting rights and how you issued a dissolution of marriage without me getting any notice of court hearings. Yes. With what I think is you didn't include the stipulation and order, and you didn't include the expungement of my arrest and court record from Guam. Yes. And then when I tell you that I want custody of my sons, you keep acting right now. Just keep acting. You're making a show again. As if it is not, but it is, international child abduction of all five sons. Yes. Now, Title 18 U.S. Code Section 1201G provides special rules, yeah, for offenses involving children. Yes. Where the victim's under the age of 18 years and the offender has obtained such age as not a parent, grandparent, brother, sister, aunt, uncle, person having legal custody. Sentencing levels are increased to reflect the severity of the treatment and situation in which the child has been placed. Now, just to explain the severity of the situation, they are in the wrong grades. My son Zachary is going to graduate at 19 and a half years old. Yes. As is Bishop, because they were both born in the month of January. Yeah. And every day that I tell you that they were abducted, kidnapped, and taken from the United States territory of Guam because of the false accusation, yes, of family violence, child abuse, and assault, yes, where I entered into diversion and my record was expunged, yes, you as the police and sheriff have sat there wanting to say that I was crazy. Yes. Now, for all the fabricated evidence in Sequim, Washington, when I wasn't there, yes, and the fabricated evidence in Jefferson County when I wasn't there, yes, there is some terrorism involved in what you're doing. Yes, it is. Now, the Anti-Terrorism and Effective Death Penalty Act of 1996, yes, changed the statutory language of 18 U.S. Code 1201E, effective April 24th, 1996, from internationally protected person to an internationally protected person outside the United States, and permits jurisdiction over the offense if one, the victim is an representative officer, employer, or agent of the United States, two, An offender is a national of the United States, or three, an offender is afterwards found in the United States. Now, somehow I think you know where my wife is at. In fact, if I Googled her name, I would say that she works in the Brennan School District. Yes. And you wanted to say, right now, can you find her? Because she took my son's 8 years, 5 months, and 17 days ago. Yes. And I